Welcome to the final and most exciting video. I'm going to show you the oils that come in the Premium Starter Kit and walk you through some of the benefits they provide. So this is what the starter kit looks like. It includes all of the oils highlighted today, and it is the most cost-effective way of starting with Young Living essential oils. In addition to the 11 oils in the 5 ml bottles, it includes the Dewdrop Diffuser, 2 Ningxia samples, some oil dram bottles, and some oil samples for sharing. So let's start with lavender. Keep this Swiss Army knife of essential oils handy for any emergency. It can be used on cuts, scrapes, for bruising, minor burns, sunburns, rashes, calming and relaxation, insomnia, and allergies, to name a few. It smells just amazing. Okay, next we have peppermint. This is the Vitality label for Young Living, so it means it's ingestible. Just an easier way to tell you it's ingestible. Oh, peppermint. So this essential oil has so many uses: indigestion, nausea, appetite and cravings, headache. A drop of peppermint on your temples, the bottom of your big toe, or on the roof of your mouth using the thumb sucking method works wonders for alleviating headaches. Peppermint is also a great energy booster, good for arthritis, congestion, muscle pain, and fever. Lemon essential oil, unlike the actual lemon, is pH neutral, so it can be used as a tooth whitener without any worry of enamel breakdown. It is also amazing in cleaning and laundry, as a face wash, for detox, for occasional heartburn. It is the most amazing thing for removing glue or sticky substances. This is Digize. Digize is one of my favorites. The scent is something to get used to, but for what it does, you overlook the smell. It is great for indigestion, heartburn, bloating and gas, stomach cramps, nausea and morning sickness, motion sickness, and diarrhea or constipation. Rub a drop clockwise around your belly button, and you'd be surprised how you can continue with your day. So next is Thieves. Again, one of my favorites. Thieves boosts immunity, kills airborne bacteria. It is antibacterial and antiviral, great for colds and flus, sore throat, toothaches, and cold sores. It smells like cinnamon and cloves, and it tastes good too. At the first sign of a cold, I put a drop or two in hot water with lemon and honey, and the cold doesn't develop. So where are we? Next is frankincense. Frankincense is an amazing oil. It helps boost immunity, helps healing, great for meditation and spirituality, cellular regeneration, anti-aging and wrinkles. I have this in my face serum. Scars and stretch marks, and sunspots and warts. Frankincense is often dubbed the miracle oil, and they say there's over 10,000 uses for it. Next is Panaway. Panaway is great oil for sore muscles, back pain, growing pains, sprains and strains, shin splints, arthritis and swelling, spasms, cramps, bruising and headaches. Think Panaway. This is Copaiba. Copaiba is such a great oil. It is one of the oils in Panaway. It is an amazing anti-inflammatory oil, great for circulation, sore and stiff muscles, arthritis and rheumatism. It's also a great anti-anxiety oil when used aromatically. It smells a little, it's hard to describe, like a mild spicy. I don't know how to describe that. Okay, this is RC. RC stands for respiratory congestion. It is an oil you would use for nasal congestion, chest congestion, cough, colds and flu, stuffy noses, bronchitis, sore throats, and sinus problems. Some people apply it to their chest instead of using their asthma inhaler. Next is purification. Purification is an oil that was developed specifically as an odor eliminator. It is an amazing air purifier, but it is also good for sore throat, ear infection, skin blemishes, insect bites, insect repellent, and pet ear mites. And then, hiding in the under the 10 oils, last but not least, Northern Lights Black Spruce. This is grown and distilled at the Northern Lights farm in Canada, in BC. Love it. It's a calming oil that helps with stress, anxiety, nervous tension, adrenal fatigue, and overall grounding. It is good for the respiratory system. I believe it's an RC. For healthy looking skin and an anti-inflammatory. A tip from Young Living is to add a drop of black spruce to soften the skin around a splinter before removing it. It has such a beautiful woodsy smell. Another one of my favorites. Oops. Put them away too fast. There are many combinations for using the oil, such as the Allergy Trio, which is, let's do it in the lavender, lemon peppermint. You would put it in a roller bottle and apply it behind the ear and down the jawline. Or there's something called the morphine balm, which is Copaiba, frankincense, and balsam fir. You could either apply that directly, or you could put it in a capsule and take it internally. So you might hear about using an essential oil with a carrier oil or neat and wonder what these mean. Neat just means straight out of the bottle, no dilution. A bug bite, burn, or sting might be a good reason to use an essential oil this way. Also, if you have like muscle pain, sometimes the effect is stronger if it's neat. You have to be careful what you use neat, as some oils can irritate the skin. A carrier oil, also known as a base oil or vegetable oil, is used to dilute essential oils before they're applied to the skin. They are named this because they dilute and carry the essential oil onto the skin. The average person puts 300 chemicals a day on their skin through 4 things: soap, shampoo, makeup, and hair care. 80 of those chemicals are used before breakfast. There is a better way to get the poison out of your home. It comes down to making smarter choices. What's in an essential oil? Lemon, peppermint, tangerine, sage. No yuck, no chemicals. Nothing that will poison your body. I'd like to issue a 3-cabinet challenge. Pick 3 cabinets in your house and read the ingredients that are in the products you're using. Look in your laundry room. Look under your kitchen sink and in your bathroom. If you can't pronounce it, why are you using it? You can't control all of the toxins you'll be exposed to, but you can draw a line and say no more when it comes to what is found within the walls of your own home. Make a better choice today. make the switch to oils. Oils for your deodorant instead of deodorant with aluminum. Oils in your toothpaste instead of toothpaste with fluoride. Switch out your glass cleaner with Thieves Cleaner. Use Thieves laundry soap to get rid of your laundry soap with sodium lauryl sulfate in it, known to cause cancer. There is a better way. Start with one small step at a time. One small swap each month. A chemical-free home is a safer home. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you learned some things you didn't know before this video class. If you have any questions, please comment or personal message me, and I will be happy to answer any of them. Have a great day. Thanks for joining.